All right, let's talk numbers. What's a Shadenet Carport in Midrand going to cost you in 2026?
So, if a new carport is on your to-do list, this will give you a real sense of the numbers.
Check out these price ranges. They cover everything from a small, wall-mounted unit to the bigger custom jobs. But what actually makes up these costs? Let's look at what drives that final quote. It really boils down to just 4 things: how wide it is, how many posts you need, the fabric, and the ground. Yeah, the width and number of posts are huge. Freestanding carports need more posts, so they cost more. Now for the fabric. It's this tough stuff called HDPE, and it's rated on its UV blockage. You're picking between 80% block, which is perfect for homes, and the pricier 90% commercial grade. And get this, color isn't just for looks. Lighter colors literally reflect heat and keep things cooler. All right, on to the posts. You might be surprised how much of the budget they take up. Each installed post is going to run you anywhere from $1,200 to over $3,000. And that's why freestanding models jump up in price. 4 posts could be $14,000 just for the posts. Since we're talking Midrand, you have Joburg rules, HOAs, and those crazy high-veld storms to deal with.
Okay, this is super important. Shadenet is great for sun, but it offers pretty much zero protection from hail.
So if it doesn't stop hail, why is it still the go-to option for so many people? Well, it really comes down to this. It's way cheaper and protects your car from sun, birds, and trees. So really, it all boils down to one question. If sun protection is your top priority, Shadenet is a fantastic deal.